Another question was, with a whole home system, now, is that also the water that comes out of the shower and bath? In other words, it would help protect our skin so it's not so dry and irritated?
Yes, so it hooks up on your main line. So before it enters into your home, these filtrations will hook up, and then everything from going into your hot water heater, coming out that spigot on the backside of your house, your showers, your baths, everything is filtered, and your skin actually absorbs a lot of the stuff in water when you take showers, wash your face, things like that. So if there's contaminants in there, a lot of times that skin, it'll stick to your skin. You don't even notice it, but it's there. Um, Washing your face and body with a healthy, clean, filtered water helps your skin actually stay softer and in better condition.
Another question somebody just popped in was, when it comes to putting down a whole house, do you see any benefits when it comes to laundering your clothes? Do you tend to use less detergent? Do your clothes last longer? You have any insight on that?
Yeah, I've noticed that my clothes are a little bit softer when they come out. So I've had, before I had this, I would have maybe some irritants and stuff. My daughter's a little more sensitive than I her skin. So the soap, if it didn't get all the way rinsed out and we dried it, she would put on some clothes. And at the end of the day, she may have a slight rash or something like that. We haven't had those issues because it's actually taking a lot of that irritants out of the water that get in there, and our soap is coming out. Our clothes are cleaner, and I suspect they're going to last longer with less wear and tear since the water's softer now.